Hi, I'm Jim Francis, and today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install the Integral Corp Saddle. So here we have a 6-inch PVC water main and our standard 8403 all stainless steel saddle. Once the saddle is installed onto the water main, you torque the saddle nuts down to the desired torque. The desired torque is stamped right here on the side of the saddle. Once the saddle's installed, now we're ready to install the Corp Stop. Hand tighten the Corp Stop and then use a smooth jawed wrench to tighten it to the desired torque. Now I'd like to introduce you to the Integral Corp Saddle. The Integral Corp Saddle has the Corp Stop already installed onto the stainless steel saddle. No wrench and pipe sealant required. The Corp Stop is pressure tested and watertight coming from the factory, so it eliminates the process of installing the Corp out in the ditch. So here with the Integral Corp Saddle, you see I've got it installed onto the pipe. So all I need to do now is tighten it down to the desired 60 foot-pounds of torque. And there you have it, you're ready to go. Again, I'm Jim Francis. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow our socials.